Hello everyone. This video is all about a subscriber Joseph Jefferson has commented me to create a poster versus Dilli versus Rolex. So this is the poster which I created for his comment. So let me explain you about the poster, how I got this idea about this composition. Okay, first let me tell you how I got the composition of why I used blue and red color. Okay, the color tone of the poster. The protagonist Dilli Kaithi in the movie called Kaithi, he is too loyal and he is well calm and composed. Blue expresses the color of calm and composed, loyalty, especially loyalty. The reason behind using the blue is loyalty. Okay, so the protagonist Dilli will be too loyal to his cop who gives him the ask him help regarding a police officers who is been in a danger, so he helps the police officer. So I love his loyalty towards the police officer. That's the reason behind giving him the blue color. Okay, as well as let's go to the red color. Red color is all about danger, warning, angry, and stuffs like that. The antagonist Rolex Surya, who plays a cameo in the movie called Vikram. So the consignments of the drug dealing will be stopped by the protagonist in the Kaithi as well as in the Vikram. So the antagonist gets too angry about these consignments has been dropped and stuffs like that. So he takes his butcher knife and slices the person who come and tell him the message. So while doing like that, he chops off his head and the blood will be full of his in his body and as well as in face. So it denotes as the anger as well as a warning to the people. The blood color red denotes as the warning towards the people as well as the danger and stuffs like that. So this is the main reason using blue as well as red in the poster. And using the handcuff is all about I maybe used the butcher knife also, but using the handcuff as well as the title Kaithi 2 is all about one is already a Kaithi and one is to become a Kaithi. So there are two Kaithis. So the title has been given as Kaithi 2 as I decided. Okay, so and the handcuff is all about one side you can cuff him and also him. So this is the idea behind using the handcuff, only the handcuff, not using the butcher knife. So then the Kaithi 2 title. This is all about the idea which I got after seeing Joseph Jefferson commented as please give us do us the poster of using the verses of Dilli as well as Rolex. So I used these kind of color tones as well as the handcuff as well as the Kaithi 2 title. So let's get started. Let me explain you how I did this poster in Adobe Photoshop. Let me explain you how I did this poster in Adobe Photoshop. This is the layers panel over here. Here you can see the layers here, group 2 and stuffs like that, the gradient fill, the blue and the red which I used, and the color lookup option, and the text area over here, and the handcuff. Let me explain you one by one, and I'm going to teach you few tools with the example. Okay, so now this is the first image which I used. You can see the it's in landscape, and the second one is all about this is the image. Here what I'm going to do here is I'm going to explain you how I got this area, the more room here, the area, the black area. You can see in the poster I would have got more space over here. If you see here, the image is too small. Look here, the image is too small. The headroom is here, but I don't have this room, right? So how I did that? So let me teach you that. Let me create a new document over here,
or else you can go to file, new document. Let me place the image here. Let's go to file, place the image. Let me use this one. This as a normal black color. It will be too easy to create. Let me use this texture. Okay, let me use this image. Let me place it like this. Okay, let's create this area. This area should be followed with this texture. For that, what I'm going to do here is select the rectangular marquee tool. Select from this area, the little bit area should be selected in the poster. You can see there. Now, right click. Before that, we have to right click the layer. Let me place it here. Right click the layer and rasterize the layer. Okay. It should be editable. That's the reason. Nothing but it should be editable. Now, right click inside the selection. Go to fill option. We have already seen this content aware, and just give OK. Takes time. Done. You can see there it's perfectly synced. It's too fine actually. It's fine. It's nice. You got the area here. That's how I created the space over here. Okay. So next, what I did is I used layer masking techniques. Is all about how I place these two images. All about let me place this image, and let me go to file, place. Let's place this image. Let's go to place. To flip this image, right click, flip horizontal. This is fine. Now to scale, use Control T and press Shift and Alt in the keyboard and scale it how much you need. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is press Enter and reduce the fill color here to check where is the face and stuff like that. Okay. Press V in the keyboard to adjust the image here. So this is how it should be here. Press Control T to scale. Let's reduce it. Let's drag and place it like this. Okay, fine. Now press Enter. Use the fill color to 100. Now select the image, this layer image, and give layer mask here. You got the layer mask. Now you have to press the brush tool, and the brush should be in soft brush. Okay, so then you have to use black. Black will erase, white will reveal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase it like this. Erase it like this here. Fine. Like this. This one is fine. You can see a mark over there. So to erase it, let me go with white and let me place it here and click there and click again here, again here. I have to erase it. Use it like this and merge the two images. If you use soft brush, the merging will be perfect like this. Now you can see there the two images got merged. This is how I did this merging. Okay. Then what else? This is fine. Then I took the handcuff from the internet. It's here. I placed it there and I typed the director name over here. This is all about the creativity of me, that I just use the area over here, the director name over here. I would have been used here, this area, or else here like that. Why I used here is I have a space over there. It's fine, right? It's nice to look there. And the reason behind using this text, the protagonist and the antagonist name over there, is all about one person is already a Kaithi. As I said you before, one person is already a Kaithi and one has to become a Kaithi. Okay, so I use the handcuff circle inside that Surya and the Kaithi name, the protagonist and the antagonist name. Okay, fine. That's the reason behind using that. As well as I downloaded this image to get this Kaithi 2 text. This is the image which I used, Kaithi 2 image. This is I copied here from here and used it here. The reason behind that. Fine. Then that's it. This is the reason. And here, coming back here, color lookup option. What I used in color lookup option is all about, let me double click this area. You can see I have used the option called candle light here. So that is the reason I got this look. And how I created this gradient fill, that is the task. Now I have given 72% of fill here. Okay, let me create it and show you. This is the poster with color lookup. Before color lookup, let me off the color lookup option. You can see the color variation. Over here I have used to maintain the subtle color variation. This is subtle, right? Both are the images are looking in a perfect color tone here. So I have used this candlelight option in the color look. Now let me create a gradient fill from the adjustment layer. Let's go here, click the gradient fill. Option is here, go here, and let me select this one. And let me go with reverse. Sorry. Let me go with the angle over here. This is fine. And it shouldn't be fine. No, this is fine. Yeah, it should be over here actually. Yeah, this is fine. If you want to adjust the gradient fill, you have to double click here, select this area. You can click over here and increase the red tone. If you want to blue over here, you have to click over here, double click it, and apply the blue tone which you need. Okay, so let me go with this one. Let me double click the color here and copy the color here, the color tone, and double click here. Let me place it here and paste it. This is fine. Yeah, we got the color tone here. So now it's all about to give OK over here. Fine, just give OK here. And now what I'm going to do here is, you can see what I have done here. If you select this gradient fill, I have given the blending mode as color. Okay, if I give normal, it will be looking like this. So I just give color option. So this is the one which you created. Select that one and go to the color option over here. Fine. Finally, we got this. Is actually fine, nice. And what I did before, actually, let me reduce the opacity here to 70 or stuff like that. Okay, this is the poster which I created. This is how I created it. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.